In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your phone using your Galaxy Watch and how to find your Galaxy Watch using your phone. I'm using the Watch 8 Classic for the demo, but the process I'll show will work the same way on all Galaxy Watches, be it 5, 6, 7 or the Ultra. Just bear in mind that both devices, the watch and the phone, should have Samsung Find app set up with a Samsung account and they both need to be connected to the internet. First, let's see how to find your phone using your Galaxy Watch when both are disconnected. So just go to the app drawer and open the Samsung Find app. Tap on devices and select your smartphone. It will display the exact location of your phone, and if you tap on the three dots, it will show the exact address info along with how much charge is left on your phone. You can follow the map to get to where your phone is, and once you're there, you can ring it to find it. And distance doesn't matter. You can be in a different city. As long as your phone is connected to the internet and its location is turned on, you can track it or ring it from anywhere. I have tested it many times. Now let's see how to find your Samsung Galaxy Watch with your phone. So just open the Samsung Find app on your smartphone. Select your Galaxy Watch from the devices section and tap on refresh to see its current location. You can even zoom in the map to see where your watch is precisely. Once you're there, you can ring the watch to find it. Just remember, your watch needs an internet connection for this to work. That's why this feature works best on LTE models, since they stay connected even without Wi-Fi, unlike Bluetooth-only variants. And that's how you can find lost Samsung phone with Galaxy Watch and lost Galaxy Watch with your phone using the Samsung Find application. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.